Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use templates in Evernote to streamline your note-taking and save time on repetitive tasks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and your workspace loads up, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several options listed there, and one of them will be labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on it to access Evernote's template library. Now, here's something important to note. The templates available to you will depend on your account type. If you're on the free plan like I am in this example, you'll have limited choices. For instance, I only have access to the to-do list template. However, if you're on a paid subscription, you'll see a much wider variety of templates to choose from, including meeting notes, project planners, and more. Select the template that best fits your needs based on what's available to you. For this demonstration, I'll click on the to-do list template. Once you've selected your preferred template, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a button that says Use this template. Click on it to proceed. This action will prompt you to choose where you want to save this template as a new note. Next, a list of your existing notebooks will appear. Browse through the list and select the notebook where you'd like to store this new note. This helps keep your workspace organized and ensures the template ends up in the right place. After you've made your selection, click the Select button located in the bottom right corner of the window. Evernote will now create a new note based on the template you chose. You'll see the template open up with placeholder text and formatting already in place. This is where you personalize it. Simply click on the placeholder text and replace it with your own information, whether that's tasks, meeting details, or project notes. The template structure is there to guide you, so just fill in what you need. If you'd like to rename the note to something more specific, you can do that as well. Just click on the note title at the top and type in your new name. And here's the great part. Evernote automatically saves all your changes as you work, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. And that's it. You've successfully used a template in Evernote to create a structured, organized note without starting from scratch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.